Nick here with Rough and Ready Rides. So here we have the 1955 Willys Jeep. So this one is pretty awesome. Runs pretty good. We drive it around. It became orange, so then we added the yellow and the white, and it's now the candy corn. So, cold start. Let's see if it starts this morning. So there's lots of numbers on this Jeep. Like right here it says 283 motor. Then it says 4185. And then below it says 01590, 01590. There's etching there. There's also etching somebody put like on the glove compartment area. All down here, see it says Chevy 32560. So these numbers, you know, kind of interesting old Jeep. But we're gonna go ahead and see if this thing will start this morning. Jeeps are always fun to mess with. So it started, I would say, a pretty awful start, but it started. I don't know, probably needs a little love. My only question is, does anybody know the theory, or if it even matters, or if there's like a spark arrestor in the exhaust on these? Why the gas tank is right above the exhaust? I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter, but I guess it's dangerous no matter what, because it's sitting on 6 gallons of gas anyways, but we'll see. See, it's got something going on. But thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. I'm trying to do a lot of stuff with mopar stuff specifically this year. Just lots of different things we got going on with mopar stuff at Rough and Ready Rides. So click that subscribe button if you could, so we can continue to create really awesome videos and find cool cars that need a little bit of love, and then they can be driving with me.